trees, whispers, secrets in the breeze. I catch a glimpse of what we were. A fading path, a hidden stream where sunlight dances soft and clean. I chase the echoes of your laugh. Falling leaves, falling time, moments slipping through the rhyme. Hold them close, hold them near. The seasons change, but you're still here. A scarf unwinds, the chill sets in. Your hand in mine, where do we begin? We walk the lines of yesterday. The lanterns glow, the world slows down. A quiet town, no need to sound the words. They rest upon the air. Every step, every sigh carries autumn's lullaby.
Hi vlog. So today I'm recording my episode 2 of Study With Me digital diary. I'm done with my breakfast and the plan is to do study. As you guys know, I'm trying to be productive no matter what is happening in my day. Already half of the day is over, like 1/3 of the day is over. So I'll record my vlog, and while recording this I saw something. Actually there was a mongoose and I wanted to show you, but in the span of time when I turned on the back camera, it went. So yeah, so I was saying that weather is nice today and it's hot, to be honest, because that summer kind of day where everything feels still and there is no heavy wind today, but everything is calm and birds are chirping. So yeah, it's a good day to start studying. Also, if you're watching this is your reminder that no matter what is happening in your life, no matter how your day went till now, this is your reminder to let's stay productive no matter what's happening. Yeah, as you can see, as you can hear, the birds are chirping. So yeah, without wasting much time, let's start our study vlog. I'll take you through my day. We'll spend a day together and I'll try to vlog and include everything that's going in my day, and we'll have a productive day together. Yeah, and also the electricity is not very good here today because of the weather. So I don't know how much I'll be able to record, but I'll try my best. I will keep my phone away so I will record myself. So yeah, without further ado, let's study, guys.
Peeks out from the edge of the sky, whispers of dawn as the night waits.
I forgot to tell you कि आज ना मैंने vlogging करना तो late शुरू किया था, but I've started studying early. Till now I've studied 4 hours 30 minutes. I'll consider it 4 hours 30 minutes. वैसे तो I've studied 4 hours 41 1 minute, but yeah, this is it. Not for the vlog, for this session. I don't know why I'm feeling very tired. Like, I have not studied too much, but I'm feeling tired, so I'm gonna go take a quick break. I'm gonna grab some coffee or something. I don't know. मौसम को देखते हो तो चाय पीने का मन. Actually, weather is good. Like, ऐसा मन कर रहा है कि I should sit outside, but बाहर थोड़ा blood donate वाला scene हो जाएगा to mosquitoes. So I'm gonna go and grab some coffee.
The world wakes up, but the rush can't wait. I'm lost in the beauty of this quiet state. Every leaf seems to sparkle and shine like the earth itself.
I'm feeling tired, yaar. I don't know why. I think I should study here. Couch पे थोड़ा और comfy होके.
Washing away all the worries and chains. The morning speaks in a language so clear, a reminder that peace.
This session was very good because I was feeling comfortable and मुझे पता ही नहीं चला कि time कब बीत गया. So yeah, that was a win-win for me to change this place.
Morning light upon the fields, birds awaken with the breeze. Every step feels soft and slow. Peace is all I need to know. Take my hand, walk with me through the quiet countryside where every dream can breathe. The day is done, the light is low, slowly letting go. Books are closed, quiet mind. Peace is what I find. Oh, 1%, that's enough. Simple steps build us up. Let it die. Keep showing up. That's all we do. Study bodies. I'm with you. Do your work and let it be. Leave the rest to destiny. Hope is quiet, but it stays in the small, consistent days. Walking slow through empty halls, echoes soft against the walls. Used to chase 1,000 names, trying hard to feel the same. Campus lights and rainy skies, quiet thoughts I couldn't hide, lost inside a crowded mind. Still I kept on searching signs. Then I stopped, looked inside for the first